Hey folks, thanks for joining today. We have one of your favorites. Yep. Chicken wings in the pressure cooker. You're going to need them for your upcoming football party. You know it. Let's do this now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Randall here with Cooking Under Pressure, a YouTube channel dedicated to helping you how to use your pressure cooker and make fantastic recipes. Whether you have a Power Pressure Cooker XL, maybe an Instant Pot, I see the Ninja Foodie is really popular this year. We will help you get over your fear, learn some new recipes, and I'll give you the tips and tricks on how to make some fantastic meals. If you get a chance, please subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and we will get you all of the updated videos. Now, let's get to our newest video. Hey folks, welcome back. Thanks for joining us today. It's the new year. We have football, playoffs, whether it's college, pro, we have to have some chicken wings. We have frozen chicken wings going in the pressure cooker today. It is a fast recipe. This is super tasty, super quick. You are going to enjoy this one. I like to do frozen chicken wings in the pressure cooker because you can do them very quickly. And if you're using regular chicken wings, normally I would just do them in the air fryer. Sometimes I do them in the smoker or in the oven. But when they're frozen, we got 2 pounds. You can do them really fast if you get friends coming over. So let's do this recipe. I got 2 pounds of frozen chicken wings. I got them at Trader Joe's. I'm fortunate to live right down the street from Trader Joe's. I'm going to mix them with a little stock. Probably put about half a cup of stock in there. I've got my new gizmo, the trivet, and we'll put them out on some racks, throw them in the oven, and we're going to have some great wings. So we'll put all 2 pounds straight in. I've got my trivet. Fits perfectly. Just take some tongs, move them around a little bit. I've got a little more than half a cup of my ginger miso stock that I get at Trader Joe's. You can use water, you can use chicken stock, whatever you like. As you know, I like this miso ginger broth. It's really tasty. And that's it. We close up our trivet. Makes it really convenient. I'm going to set this, folks, for 12 minutes. So all we need to do is 12. So we will put it at 12 minutes. Make sure that your pressure valve is closed, and that's it. We will have these wings. This will get up to pressure super quickly, hopefully within 3 to 5 minutes. While we're waiting, frosty beverage of the day, we have a toasted lager, American style amber. This is great with wings. Let's open this up. This is from New York, as I mentioned. Real easy drinking lager, perfect with wings. This is our frosty beverage of the day. It is Blue Point Toasted Lager. Cheers. Go Noles, go Pats. Welcome back. Okay, we have just done a natural release with our chicken wings. Actually took about 8 minutes to get up to pressure. Depends on your pressure cooker. We're using a Power Pressure Cooker XL. You might be using an Instant Pot, whichever one you're using. The times will vary. 12 minutes cooking time and close to 10 minutes for the natural release. Right around 30 minutes or so. So you can expect 30 minutes to get your wings cooked. Now let's open this up and take these wings out, sauce them up, put them in the oven, and have them ready. As you know, I'm always about safety, so we're going to open up the lid away from us. You know, I'm always safe with that, so just give your lid a shake every once in a while. You've got some extra liquid in there. Pull the tongs, and look at that. Those wings look beautiful. All right. I am going to put these wings right on this plate. This trivet has been such a great tool to use for foods like wings or pork or Boston butts, anything like that. So now I just take the wings and I put them on a grill that I put on this lined cookie sheet. Now what's nice is this grill is actually from my smoker. It's a Bradley grill, so I just turned it upside down so it gives a little space for the wing sauce and the spices to kind of drop through in any of the oils or grease. We'll put some sauces on these wings, a couple of spices, throw them in the broiler, 5 minutes aside, and you will be ready for your game. We've got the big game, Super Bowl, coming up. I don't know if I can use that term, but you know that's coming right up around the corner. At this point, I've got some bulgogi, which is Korean barbecue sauce. You know I love that sauce. Also have some sweet chili sauce, some Thai sauce, my two favorite ones. What I do is I just drizzle a little bit of the sauce over half of each. You can use barbecue sauce if you'd like. You can use buffalo wing sauce, of course. I just mix these up and I put a little bit on that side there. Then I've got some adobo. I just kind of sprinkle the wings here. I do both sides. I've got some Montreal chicken seasoning. This is one of my favorites. So I just coat the wings. You can see it goes right through. Coat the wings nicely. If you have a brush, I'll just brush the sauce a little bit on each one. You can always have some sauce on the side when these are done. And we are ready to put these into the oven. We have just pulled our wings out. We put a little bit of sesame seeds on the top. Look at these gorgeous wings. 5 minutes aside, inside of the broiler, 10 minutes, total of about 40 minutes cooking time from beginning to end. Some of my friends have recently got a Ninja Foodie. It's got the air fryer on the top. You could also put the wings on top of that if you'd like, but obviously we use the oven today. Oh, I can't wait to take a quick bite of one of these wings. Let's try one of these Korean barbecue wings. Nice and crispy, super tender, very flavorful. Hey, whatever game you got coming up, or if it's the summertime, wings are always going to be great for any party that you have. As always, if you ain't cooking under pressure, you ain't cooking. We'll see you next time.